Hey, about to try Beli Sazon today for the food truck. It's a Colombian food truck. About to check it out. So here's the menu. I'm doing the chicken arepa and beef empanada. Alright, I went to Beli Sazon, and this is probably the best looking arepa I've ever seen. And I've had them before. And this one's the chicken arepa, but I never had their beef empanadas. So I'm gonna show you. This is the arepa. Look how cheesy that is. And then I don't know what this sauce is, so that's an exclusive for me. So that's gonna be new taste for me. This is what their empanadas look like. I haven't had their empanadas. So I got a beef empanada. Don't know what this special sauce is. I should have asked. But yeah, these, if you want a arepa from a truck, this is probably the place to go. Because they're so big and meaty. Just look at this. It's crazy. But I don't know what this sauce is, so that's going to be new to me. About to try it with the new sauce. I think it's a mayo base. And I got some on my nose. I don't really care for mayo, but it's still good. There's the chicken. Just hiding under the cheese. But this is a pretty big size here. I'm gonna take it out the wrapper. Pretty big size arepa. You definitely will get full off of one serving. It's so meaty. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. And try the empanada. That's good. Not too bad. I'm gonna try to figure out what's in it. I think it's like a potato or something. What does the inside look like? Very crispy. I guess it's like beef, potato, some type of seasoning in there, as you can see. Maybe I need to put the sauce on it. I don't even know what to put the sauce on. Comes in a little thing like this. Here, I'll put some on my arepa. Guess I'll try it on both. See what this flavoring is. I don't know what that is, but it definitely tastes good. If you go there, definitely get with her. If y'all see this video, tell me what it is. Definitely tastes good. Probably definitely put that in my empanada. But I just love how big these arepas are. It's just so meaty. Pretty much put together. It's like, see, there's like no juice from the chicken or anything falling out from the bottom. So I ain't gotta worry about making a mess. Or it's dripping over. Pretty much put together pretty good. But yeah, I'll leave the information down below in the description. You can also find it on my street food finder. It's close by to you. See you on another episode of ShaunandShawn. Peace.
Alright, you guys made it to the end of the video of Shaun and Shawn.
Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, to leave us any feedback or suggestions of places we should check out. And stay tuned, more to come.
Peace.